Let's solve palindrome number question from LeetCode. In this question, we're given an integer and we should return true if it's equal to its reverse and otherwise return false. The way we're going to approach this question is that by changing the type of the integer to a string and then comparing it to its reverse. Let's say we have a number like 121. First we should change it to a string and then comparing it to its reverse. In here it's also 121. So in this case we should return true. But let's say we have a number like 12. First we'll change it to a string. Then we reverse it. That's equal to 21. And in this case they're not equal, so we should return false. We can solve this question by using a code with time and space complexity of big O of 1. Here's the code if you want to check it out.